She's personally responsible for all of the amazing people here. She picked them all.
A lot of them. No.
That's my reality.
Yeah.
What career advice would you offer to a new employee just starting their journey at Atlas Copco?
My advice for any new employees coming into Atlas Copco is to build relationships with their coworkers and other people around them. When I started as a co-op, so I was very green to the HR fields. And really how I learned was asking the people on my team questions. And it really helped me learn the why of how we do things, best practices, and just Atlas Copco practices in general.
What makes Atlas Copco a great place to work?
I think what makes Atlas Copco a great place to work is our emphasis on work-life balance. Post-COVID, we enacted a hybrid work schedule. So not all of our positions, but a lot of the positions within our building are able to have some flexibility. We're able to work from home, not worrying about commuting 5 days a week. And I think that really helps just balance out work-life balance and have people have more times with their families. The other thing I think makes Atlas Copco a great place to work is opportunities for advancement within their career. So we really do a good job of making sure that people are in charge of their career path with us and enable them to get to whatever their next step might be. So I think the other thing that makes Atlas Copco a great place to work is our opportunities within the company. We have a big active internal job market and really give people the opportunity to grow within their career at Atlas Copco. I know, for example, within Comptec, so far this year, we've filled about 60% of our openings with internal employees.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
My favorite part of my job is just building relationships. So both with the managers I work with on building up their teams, and then also the candidates that I build relationships externally outside of Atlas Copco. And just being able to put people in the right role and kind of celebrate those wins when someone is placed in a role they really end up enjoying.
How does your role at Atlas Copco impact the overall success of our business every day?
The impact my position has is really company growth. So what I do is match people up to positions that are the best fit for them and make sure we have the right people in the right roles to enable that company growth.
You're natural. You are killing it. Academy Award.